Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riska My student number is 18, 61, 50, and 10. So here I will answer the 5 question that I choose from the 10 question of second language acquisition mid test. So I choose the question number 1, number 2, number 5, number 7, and number 10. So here is my answer for question number 1. The question number 1 is, what is second language acquisition? Yeah, according to some references on the internet and from the book that I have read before, I found that the definition of language acquisition is variously, and I found that second language, or we usually call it as L2, is a language that is not the native language or the first language or the mother language of the speaker, but is learned later. Yes, it usually as a foreign language, but it also can be another language used in a speaker home country. Then, mastery of language or language acquisition is a process of acquiring language unconsciously. Then, language acquisition usually occurs during childhood, or we know it as mastery at the first language or their mother language. Then, however, adults can also acquire a language, and because there are some terms in language acquisition. Then, acknowledging that in common usage, what goes by this term may actually constitute acquisition of a third or fourth language, that label prioritize the facts that a learner has previous exposure to at least one other language. So we can study about what is second language acquisition is, and we can implementing the knowledge into our life become a second language. So second language acquisition, or SLA, in common it has two meanings. So in general sense, it is a term to describe learning a second language or a foreign language, as I said before. More specifically, it is the name of the theory of the process by which we acquire or pick up a second language. Yeah, so that's all the definition of second language acquisition according to me, and I got this from some references on the internet and also the book that I have read. So that's all my answer for question number 1.